Well, this is we're in the back of my truck today. There's my generator, and it sits between my fifth wheel hitch and my toolbox. The problem I have is every time I leave my truck, I'm afraid someone's going to steal my generator. So today, we're going to secure the generator to the back of my truck. Let's get started. Okay, so what I plan on doing is I went and got one of these cables. It's pretty thick. I was going to use chain, but I couldn't find anybody to cut it for me at the big box store, so I just grabbed one of these. The plan is these handles are pretty secure. They're metal, and you can lift the whole thing by them. So just route this through the handle here. And then run this underneath my toolbox, drill a hole in my toolbox, and put this up inside and put a lock on it. Okay? So that's the plan. Let's see if I can do it. So I've got a hole saw here, and I'm just going to drill a series of 3 holes here, and then see if that's big enough, and if it's not, I'll drill another one. You know what? I think I'm going to put it right here, and the reason is this crate keeps sliding this way, and if I put this right here, then it'll stop when it hits the lock. What am I doing? Ah, my big fat finger keeps clicking it off. There's one. That just wallowed out. Let's see if I can get it back in that hole. Two. Three. Okay, let's see if we're getting close. Okay, I think it's wide enough. Yeah, I think it's wide enough, but I need to clean some of these ears out. So let me. Now we'll take the other end of this cable. We'll stick it up in this hole. This is the part I was worried about, whether or not it'd make this turn. And there we go. It's just a little fat for that. But that part doesn't need to get up here, because then I'll click this on. And there you go. And that is how I secured my generator to my truck. I've got the generator in the back of my truck. It's got this big old heavy cable on it, and that cable literally just disappears underneath the toolbox, but it's not going anywhere. And it was really easy and simple to do. There's the lock, there's the cable, and if you look at this, now this whole thing can't slide over and hit my airbag system. Okay, well that's it for this project, so thanks for watching.